Welcome to Great Life Zone. Are you somewhat disheartened after a bad experience in a relationship because you can't find what you're looking for? Come on, this is not the best attitude to adopt. Let us look at some of the right ways of improving the chances of success and making the process more positive and helpful. So here are some tips to start dating again and attract new love. Before we go on to discuss the tips, let me tell you the mistakes to avoid. When we are looking to start dating again after a breakup or a bad experience, it is of paramount importance not to repeat what we always do. This means going to the same spots, dressing in the same way, etc. Are you wondering why? Well, this would help us avoid repeating the same mistakes. And now, tips to start dating again and attract new love. Number 1. Love yourself. There are so many articles and videos giving dating tips or tips to attract the man or woman of your dreams. But before finding someone who loves us, did you consider that you need to love yourself first? Not only that, you have to learn to love yourself unconditionally and fully before you can think of creating a lifelong loving relationship with someone. So what is the best way to learn to love ourselves? What are the do's and don'ts to make sure that we give ourselves the full and unconditional love? There are several simple ways you can do it, and that takes us to the next tip. But before that, I would like to recommend 2 videos on this channel for you. They are 7 powerful ways to love yourself and Love Yourself affirmations for self-love and self-esteem. Tip number 2. Be kind and gentle to yourself. This simple daily habit is very powerful. It can bring about wonderful transformation in your life, from boosting your self-esteem to healing your mind and body. Look at yourself in the mirror at least twice a day and say following affirmations. I love myself fully and unconditionally. I will love you always, no matter what. You are a loving person, Robert, and I am always with you. I am proud of myself and am surrounded by people who always love me. You will see after a few days of exercise how much better you feel. For affirmations, please refer to our videos, I Am Worthy Affirmations. Number 3. Forgive yourself. So often, at least some of us, are very harsh on ourselves and we hammer ourselves down, not literally of course, for our mistakes. It might make us feel better that we are so aware, conscious and strict with ourselves, that we are so above average humans. We admit our mistakes and punish ourselves for them. But it is just the opposite in reality, and we are simply making things worse. When you beat yourself up, you are killing your self-esteem and self-confidence. These are so essential to attract new love in your life. That way, you are so much more likely to repeat the same patterns of mistake over and over again. The perfect antidote to this is to be kind and gentle with yourself and forgiving so that you can make changes for better. So next time you happen to do something wrong or make a mistake, speak aloud to yourself. It is okay. I still love you. I'm sure the next time you will be more careful. After all, you are only a human and humans do make mistakes. I forgive you and I will always love you. Tip number 4. Try going to new places and avoid old spots. If you keep boarding the flight to Detroit from New York, which you have always done, how will you reach Los Angeles? Let us take another example. No matter how many times you eat at McDonald's, you will never have fine dining experience. Therefore, if you go to the same place again, chances are that you will end up with more of the same. You definitely don't want to start dating again and end up with the same type of people you have been dating with in the past. Keeping this in mind, now decide what the best strategy for success could be. Tip number 5. Decide what image of yourself you want to project. Perhaps your image needs to be updated. People go by the first impression even before talking to you or shaking your hand. It is how you dress yourself, what is your body language, what are the places you are seen at, and things like that. This is because like attracts like. The image you project will convey to the outside world the kind of person you are. So be clear what kind of partner it is that you're looking for. Are you looking to find a new love, a long-time partner, or just some short association for fun? Hence, dress up and change your outer persona accordingly. Tip number 6. Dress with confidence. This is simply an extension of the previous point. You're always judged based on your looks. How do you feel about the way you look in the selfie? Do you need an image change altogether or some improvement? Ask for constructive comments from well-wishers or parents. For ideas and suggestions, you may refer to magazines, take grooming classes, or look at your role models and get some ideas from them. Besides dressing, look at your body also. You could benefit from training under a personal trainer or just be regular at the gym. Take this as an opportunity to make yourself healthier and let it also show off. Improving your health and looks is always useful regardless of whether or not you attract new love or not. Number 7. Be at your best always. When you step out and see someone, you should always give off positive signals. The simple tools available to you are your smile, looking approachable and friendly. A lot of potentially interesting people don't have many friends, or they aren't popular because they look unfriendly. Therefore, be aware of the signals that you emit when you are in social gatherings. Tip number 8. Be confident of success. Perhaps it takes less energy to think positive than to think negative. Also, the mind is more calm and body energetic when we think positive. So be a confident person. Stand tall. People will find you more attractive than before. Those who are looking for a friend or partner and maybe to start a new relationship will also notice the good qualities in you. A confident and successful person sends out good signals and others think of him or her to be interesting to talk to and fun to be with. Tip number 9. So what if there is a rejection or failure? Even after taking all the good steps, if you do not meet with instant success or if someone rejects you, don't take it seriously. For all you know, it may not be about you. The other person may have their own baggage of complexes or stresses going on in their life, or they may not be ready for a relationship at this point in time. They may be just passing time with friends and not want anyone in their life. Tell yourself that every situation is one nearer to you finding your new love. Tip number 10. Don't allow your past experiences to mess with your dreams. Do not carry your past negative experiences into a current or future situation. You have become a new you now. Therefore, why should you behave like you have been doing in your past dates? Your mindset has become more positively charged now. You're all set to attract the right person in your life. Remember, skepticism, doubt, or mistrust are unattractive qualities when used indiscriminately. So if you have had bad experiences a couple of times, it may be helpful to consider receiving professional counseling to improve your outlook and boost your confidence before you start dating again. I'm sure these tips can help you start dating again and attract new love again. Not only that, these tips may even help with social situations and also support in finding a good set of friends. Meeting people, making friends, and feeling happy and confidence once we start dating again can be difficult initially, but here are ways to make it a more positive experiences and help to find a new love. For more information and in-depth reading on the subject, you are welcome to read the detailed article on our website, and the link is given in the description box below. Please do share and like this video. We would love to see and respond to your comments, suggestions, and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video till the end.